If you want to keep your Photoshop workspace tidy and free from clutter, or maybe you just want a little extra privacy on your recent projects, learning how to remove recent files from the Photoshop start screen is a super useful trick. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to clear your recent file list, keeping your start screen clean and giving yourself a fresh slate every time you open Photoshop. So let's dive in. It's actually a very straightforward process, and I'll walk you through each part step by step so you feel confident doing it yourself. First things first. Let's open up Photoshop. Go ahead and launch the program just like you normally would. If you're not already on the start screen, don't worry. The steps I'm about to show you will work from any open workspace in Photoshop. Your start screen is where you usually see your most recently accessed files listed in a neat grid, or sometimes a long line, right when you launch the app. After a while, this list can get a bit crowded, especially if you're always working on new graphics, editing photos, or jumping between different projects. Clearing this list will make your workspace feel a lot more organized. Alright, now that Photoshop is open, look up at the top left of your screen. You'll see the standard menu bar with options like File, Edit, and Image. We're going to start by clicking File. Take your time here. It's always good to get into the habit of using these menus because so many useful tools are hidden here. Once you click File, a drop-down appears with loads of different options. The one we want is called Open Recent, so just hover your mouse over that section. Don't click just yet. Hovering is enough to make a new submenu pop up on the right side. In this submenu, you'll see a list of the files you've opened recently, along with an option at the very bottom that says, Clear Recent File List. This is the step that makes all the difference, and it's really as easy as a single click. Go ahead and click Clear Recent File List. Photoshop might take a second to process this, so if your list doesn't disappear instantly, just give it a moment. No need to worry. After you hit that button, your recent files list will be wiped clean. And when you go back to your start screen, you'll notice that all those thumbnails have vanished. Your start workspace will be completely fresh, with no lingering files from your last editing session. Clearing your recent files is especially helpful if you share your computer, or if you work on sensitive client projects and want to keep things a bit more private. It's also a nice reset if you're transitioning to new projects and don't want to get distracted by older work. Just remember, doing this doesn't delete your original files from your computer. It only removes the shortcut from Photoshop's start screen, so you can always locate your documents from their original folders when you need them. And that's all there is to it. Super simple, but surprisingly effective for keeping Photoshop feeling uncluttered and secure. If you found this tutorial helpful, please tap that like button. We work hard to make these guides as simple and friendly as possible. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, or if there's another Photoshop trick you'd love to learn. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this, so you can keep improving your creative workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.